Hello guys, my name is Sriram Tudu and you are watching my YouTube channel Sriram Tudu. So guys, we went to visit the deuli dam yesterday, and lot of people had also come there, and some people were eating, some people were dancing. Basically the people were enjoying their uh, new year. Basically they were celebrating new year, and we had there yesterday, and we went to top of the dam to saw the beauty of, or the beauty of reservoir, or of the reservoir we saw there, and we feel very good and we enjoyed it. And some of the video clip I was recorded there. Now we will be show how the crowd were there uh, yesterday and how we enjoyed there. We will be see on this video. Please, if you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and being our family member. So let's go to start this video. Guys, we have come to see the dam. Today is New Year, so many people come here as tourists. So we have also come here. We have already stand our bike the roadside. There is going to be lot of crowd on this side, so we have parked the vehicle further away. You can see guys, everyone is going to the top of the dam. The view from top of the dam is very nice. There is water on one side and other side are paddy fields. The view from the top of the dam is very stunning view. That's why everyone is going to top of that dam. And now you can see we are also starting climb, and now we are walking through the stairs to climb the top of the dam. And you can see some people already climb there and they are enjoying, and we are now walking. So many people are walking with us. Many people had already climbed up, and finally we have come up. What a stunning view! Yeah, few months ago when I was come here, that time this much not have the water. Now the water level also very increasing, but you can see the crowd of people are coming here. I think it may be dance after some times later. It may be most of people are coming. That there was the main road, and the main road coming here, and the vehicle are parking. You can see the vehicle are parked below the dam, and other side some people are taking selfie near the water. You can see now how many people have come. The crowd has gathered. You can see guys, here are the crowded. The people are coming here, and they are coming top of the dam, because in from top of the dam it's a very stunning view. You can see here other side the paddy field, and here left side are the water reservoir here. And here all the people are coming here and enjoying their new year. They are celebrating. So other people are celebrating. They are outside, and other are eating. and I can see some people are eating some of the in paddy field. They are eating their food. Obviously this is a new year, and where I am here and making video for you. Obviously many people are coming now. What is the new things coming here? But this time the new lights are installed, and you can see the road also built. The water level of also increasing. Whenever I was coming 2 or 3 months before that time, not much water have here, but now the water level are very increasing, and it's feel like oh मैं तो समुंदर में आ गया समुंदर में आ गया जैसा लग रहा है ना. But you would like to tell our audience. Hello guys, we are now in Deuli Dam. We have reached here just 15 minutes before, and now we are taking some pictures in Deuli Dam. And now we will ask her what we want to say our audience. What would you like to say? What is your message to our audience? Say Happy New Year. Say to our audience to Happy New Year.
All of you, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year 2025.
Happy New Year
2025. What are you doing? You are sitting. Are you taking some picture?
I am feel very good.
ସେମିତି ହିଁ ତ କୁହ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କୁହ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କୁହ ତୁ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ କେମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି ତୁମକୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଆସିକି ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗୁଛି ଆଗ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଆଗରେ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଥିଲୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏତେ ପାଣି ଥିଲାନି ଆଉ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ବି ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ହେଇନଥିଲା ଏବେ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଲୋକ ବି ଆସିଛନ୍ ତଳେ କିଛି ଲୋକ ଫଟୋ ଉଠାଉଛନ୍ ଆମେ ବି ଏଠି ଫଟୋ ଉଠାଉଛୁ ତ ଆଗରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଆସିଥିଲୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏତେ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା. Here I can see development work is going on. Here is tree have been planted near the dam, and light have been installed, and there are many other problems like there is no drinking water for tourists. It will be very good when water is arranged and many more tourists will coming this place. Gradually the develop the tourist will come, so the government will have to do more development here. If we do many things like water, parking, etc, then we will develop and this area will develop. We enjoyed the view from above and also took selfie near the water, and now we are going back to home. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.